Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. We are about to assemble another paper flower here. We have a different design and we have 6 of this petal. It's white on the back and then the front is an intricate cut. It's like a burgundy color. So all we're going to do with this petal is we're going to just fold over the top corners really good. Let's give it a little curve. And I may put a little dab of glue at the top just to make sure that my edges are together, because once I assemble it, I don't want it to be pulling apart any. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue here on this little corner on each side. So when I assemble, I won't have any problems with the edging. Okay, that was ready. Good. And I cut all these petals with my Cricut machine. With my scissors, and we're just going to give it just a little bit of shape. And you can't go up too high because you don't want to affect the detail cutting that's in the petal. So you want to make sure you cut under the design. Because this is 2-layer, we're going to let it dry. Make sure we have a good seal. And because of the intricate cut in this layer, I decided to only do one row because I think it'll be too busy if we were to do several rows with this pattern. Okay, so we're going to make sure these are good and dry. And this is going to be the base. This is what we're going to glue the petals to. And I've made it much smaller since we're only going to do one set of petals. Okay, now I'm going to get an idea of where I'm going to put my flowers, my petals on the base, so I can make sure that everything is evenly spaced. It's very important to do this so you have symmetry in your flower. Okay. And also this helps to let you know how far in you want to place your flower petal on your base. Okay, so I have that done. So I'm going to go one side here. Okay, let's make sure. Make sure they're barely touching. They're so heavy that they're falling over. Alrighty. And let's see here. We're going to, and excuse the background noise, my husband gets on the phone and he's just the loudest person on the phone. We're just totally opposite. I hate talking on the phone and he loves it. He's on the phone with his sister. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and glue my other end down like I do with my other flowers. Glue down the other side. Okay. Put a lot of glue because these petals are really heavy. So I'm going to hold this down a little bit. Give it time to set because the petals are so heavy. Okay. And this one I want to move over a little bit. So sometimes if you need to adjust, that's fine. So what I did was I pulled it up and I'm just going to reset it just a little bit here. So that's okay. And I cut 3 pieces, and I think this is the way I'm going to, I think I'm going to adhere it like that. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of glue, put on the center, and then I'm going to kind of adhere it here. And then I'm going to put some glue on the back of this. And I'm going to center it on my flower. Like so. Some glue right in the center. Get enough where I can sit this charm just right over in the center of it. And I'm going to put it right down over and just press it down. Any of you guys know of a glue gun that doesn't have all these strings on it? I would love to know what you use. Okay guys, so this is our finished product. It came out beautiful. Beautiful. And as most of you know, to hang my flowers, I use this wire that you can get from Dollar Tree or Amazon. And I'm just going to cut it to the length that I need. This is how I hang my flowers on the wall. And what I do is I just cut me a piece of wire, just any length, and I twist the ends together. So this is what the hanger looks like. Then I turn my flower over. I lay my hook down. And okay guys, this is our finished product. I applied my hanger to the back. It came out really beautiful, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.